Welcome to the Parker Snap Trap assembly video. Before assembly, first check the condition of the clamp and tray for general wear and tear, if previously used. If you've had to cut the tray, ensure any sharp edges are removed. To begin, make sure you have the correct sized clamp for the tube you're going to fit. For the purpose of this demonstration, we're going to use 1/2-inch tube and clamps. Please refer to the Snap Trap catalogue for correct clamp size identification. To load into the tray, first open up the clamp by pinching the fixed part of the clamp to allow the arm to swing open. Locate the lugs at the bottom of the clamp into the appropriate slot in the tray and swing the clamp arm back to the locked position. The clamp is now located on the tray. Now, load the tubing into the clamps resting freely, and close down the clamp arm as shown. Next, take the Snap Trap assembly key and insert locking arm into the back of the clamp, and swing the key upwards until it touches the clamp arm, and using a light force, continue with the upward motion until it snaps into place. As you can see, the tubing is now held firmly into place, providing a crevice-free clamp solution. To remove the tube, simply insert the inner lug of the Snap Trap key into the hole at the top of the clamp arm, as shown, and lever the key backwards until the clamp arm swings free. If needed, clamps can be removed and reused by simply pinching the fixed part of the clamp and swinging the clamp arm back.